Okay, so hi everyone. Today I will be sharing with you the items that Papelatbp Hi Jo was able to get for me. So this is actually a class for with KM Kalantas. So she also has a YouTube channel. Papelatbp has a YouTube channel as well. Please make sure to follow them and subscribe to their channel because you will learn a lot. So anyway, I was not able to attend the class because I have other commitments at that day, but I still was able to get this kit for the class of KM from Papelatbp in collaboration with Papelatbp. So this is the My Favorite Things Premium Dye Ink Blue Beyond. And she has this My Favorite Things Joyful Plaid 6x6 paper pad. So these are all of the um, paper designs that you will find inside. There you go. And she also has this. Oh, it was handmade by Papelatbp. A stencil that has different stars. And then she was able to get this clear stamps. This is super pretty. I was not able to use this Christmas, but definitely I'm going to use this. And it has a partner die cut. So you wouldn't have to fuzzy cut all of these stamps. And she also inserted a thank you kit. So let's open the thank you kit from Papelatbp. She also has a Shopee and a Facebook where you can find a lot of things. She also has an ongoing sale, so make sure that you check out her Facebook page as well. So let's see what's inside the thank you kit that she packed. Okay, so wow! So we have a Chop Ice Lip Balm in Cherry with SPF 4. And then we have this very beautiful die cut. Okay. And we have a pre-cut paper already that you can use when making your cards. And she also inserted this foil and glittered card stack. Wow! Thank you very much, Jo. This is really pretty. This is super nice. Thank you for making an effort to pack a thank you kit. Thank you very much. I love them all. Okay, so now let's also unpack this haul from Jo. By the way, if you also wasn't able to attend the class from KM, I believe it's recorded and you can just ask her for the link on Facebook or on YouTube where that particular class is being saved. All right? Okay. So I'm, as you most of you know, I'm really a fan of girls or lady stickers. So I'm also getting excited if I know that there are stamps that already has girls. So she was able to get me this Felicity Jane. This is Molly. And then this is Sarah, Taylor, and Annie. All right, yeah. There's a lot more from Felicity Jane, but I think these are the ones that you know just represent my day-to-day outfit. So that's why I got it. And I also got the Felicity Jane die cut shapes. This is spring, and then this is, I'm not sure, wonderfully made, and this one is create. There. Also, I got another one stamp from Unity, and this would be the design. Inner peace girl, find your inner peace. There. I love most of the Unity stamps. So I'm so happy that Joe was able to get them for me. And then, since as you know, most of the videos that I uploaded, I'm already doing journal spread or scrapbook spread using most of the sentiments that I have. And since I might be running out of the sentiments, I asked Jo if she can get me some sentiments that she can find. So she was able to find me Timholtz sentiments. So I'll be using this for my next journals. Right, so some of them are like just phrases, some of them are sentences. So I think these are the phrases. And then this is the one with just words. So you'll see what I mean. All right, so these are really pretty. And then she was able to get me this is stencil as well from Create Happiness by Vicky. I really love it. All right, thank you so much, Jo of Papelatbp. Please make sure to subscribe to her channel. It's Papelatbp as well in YouTube. She also has Facebook account where you can find a lot of things that you can see as on sale, and as well as she's really nice, and she's a good friend. So thank you again, Jo, and thank you again, KM, for the class that you held. I'll be checking out that recording soon. Thanks, everybody. Have a great day.